Sir, and I'll be the moderator for this event. Tonight isn't just about performance or entertainment, it's about strategy, future, and truth. We're lucky to have Rasito with us. We're even luckier to be in a room where today you are not just listening, but maybe. Let's jump right into it. Sigona, my first question to you is how important is the role of Tibetan youth in the Tibetan freedom struggle?
We have the future. If the young Tibetans are not trained to be leaders for the future, then there is no future for us. That is what we feel a very, very important component. And this one always says, Kerala, that's how much that Buddha is. Shunge, not only as much where Bojaba is not Shunge, feminization Sharia.
Since now we are here and almost all of the other members now looking at us as like they're the new future. But back then, you also were the youth that your parents' generation were hoping on. So how do you view us different from your generation when you were young, you were ambitious, you were doing your work? How different does it seem like the youth of these days that can do something really big for our
The generation that came from Tibet, like my parents or your grandparents, they have seen Tibet, they witnessed what happened with Tibet, and they have experienced for themselves the hardships that Tibetan people have to go through. My generation, I was born in '66, and we were fortunate enough to be able to listen to the elder generation about what they went through. And that is how it shaped our mind. Now it is our turn. Now your generation, some of you had the experience of having studied in India, having lived in India, listened to His Holiness, His guidance, His vision. But now you are scattered across the world. So it's much more difficult for you to have the opportunities that you had earlier if your parents have not taken the responsibility that our parents have. That is why the difference is the environment that we live in, but we have to learn to adapt ourselves to the new circumstances, to the new environment, and then work towards empowering yourself, increasing your capacity to work for the cause of Tibet. The generational shift is happening, but then we have to adapt according to the new circumstances, new environment, and then need to prioritize what you want to do, right? If you're just living only for yourself, how does that benefit the business? And if you think of a larger cause, then how does that benefit the business? So you're differentiating between these two, prioritize your planning. There's so many things you can do, you want to, you are doing, but if you realize that you are developing, you have a responsibility, try to understand the issue more, inform yourself, read materials, particularly the history of Tibet, and then you will be in a position to explain to others. So, however busy you are, if you schedule your priorities as per how you think you can contribute more for the cause, then you will always fight back. Otherwise, you will be spending all your time running around but not achieving anything concrete. That,
Hello?
uh,
Yeah, I completely agree with you. Like everyone here, we're always so busy, and I completely understand that. But something that's helped me again prioritize Tibet and Tibetans inside of Tibet is a quote from His Holiness. Like the reason we exist and the reason we were born are to help others. That's our main priority. And as Tibetans, it's so special that we have His Holiness to guide us and tell us that we exist to help others. And especially as Tibetans, we know that there's a group of Tibetans in Tibet that need our help. So I think just that quote, like in the busyness of life, it allows me to ground myself and to think about my priorities. So I completely agree.
I think I mentioned during my previous session also what Professor Sambhavan said, that this need not be another Tibetan to tell you what your responsibility are. As long as you realize that you are a Tibetan, you have a responsibility, then you read books like you have reading club here on Malayalam. Once you finish that, you start with Freedom in Exile. Once you finish that, the latest book of His Holiness, Voice to Voices. So if you understand how His Holiness thinks and how visionary He is, and if you go back in time and think about the difficulties that our people had to go through immediately after coming into exile, despite all those problems, His Holiness took up that responsibility. Where He stood for all of us. Without His Holiness, we would not be where we are today. So, as far as I'm concerned, I try to listen to as many teachings from His Holiness as possible. Then I get a sense of how His Holiness thinks on what different issues. And then adapt your thinking, adapt your activities to fulfill that vision of His Holiness. Then you become part of that. And last time when I came here, I spoke in the youth, and I spoke about the basics of it. You know, how big Tibet is, where Tibet is located, what is the population of Tibet. So if you don't understand the basics, to go on a higher level, it's not possible. Because the foundation is very essential. So the history part of Tibet is very important for you to understand. If you find the time and the inclination to do that, you should read history from a Chinese perspective, from a Tibetan perspective, from a Western scholar's perspective on how they define Tibetan history. And then you make a judgment by yourself. Then you will be able to participate in any debate, any conversation, whether you're talking to a very high-level person or whether you're talking to your age group, then you will be able to spread awareness and Tibet. And then you also feel the responsibility because when you have to speak to others, you have to understand first. You have to involve yourself first. 작전 자체는 is not because my ears are not well, but this is because too much that I can't hear the exact voice. Now, if you think about the strategy that the 60 Kashak has adopted in terms of the middle way policy, as I mentioned in the previous session also, when we say middle, then there are ends or polarities or extremes. Without polarities, they cannot be middle. So, middle way is policy that is based on the reality of the situation. And when I talk about the middle way, I always tell people, particularly farmers and farmers, that they should understand one of the reasons for the willingness to adopt middle way policy is for the whole of Tibet. Not only for Tibet, autonomous region or Punjab, but for the whole of Tibet. Middle way opens doors is, and the strategy that the 16% has taken, I normally don't talk about the larger impact or the future impact of this policy, or the strategy that we have adopted. If you think about the strategy that we have adopted, you will find that there will be a lot more openness in the future. And there is a lot more space with the strategy that we have adopted. And there will be a lot of maneuverability. If you stick to only one position that is rigid, then there is no space for maneuverability. Okay? With the middle way, we can reach out to Chinese, because they don't have any excuse to speak against us. Whether what they say in public and what they realize are two different things. So you don't have to believe in what they say all the time. But middle way is a policy that is based on pragmatism, on the reality of the situation, and it also opens a lot of space in the outside world. Because of the middle way policy, we are able to reach out to governments. So if you think about the strategy of this Kashak, then you will find that in the future there could be so many other spaces, and we can design those goals according to the reality of the situation then. Maybe after 5 years, after 10 years, after 15 years. So, the communal security war Kashaki, Turkish bishop, and something the motion Oche, look at the static positions in nature. We are not starting touching on the any kind of stage, I don't know, we and did by and we see on the work. The two that Alamako area, someone did and the women, these space will be able to think about this strategy and how it opens a lot of space.
Next question is, what are the challenges you face in running a government in China?
Challenges, the main challenge is people not understanding. People, our own people. So I say I am a witness to the contributions that His Holiness has made. I've been a speaker, now I'm Sikkim, I've traveled around the world. I just give you one example. In this visit to the United States, when we met some 21 people from the Hills in the Congress, one member, we presented this copy of Voice of the Voiceless. She's a senator, and she said, okay, this book is very good for me. When I go for a weekend back to my constituency, I will read it there. Then we told her, this is autographed by His Holiness. And she said, no, in that case, I'm not taking this book. Because if I lose the book, I don't want that to happen. So we gave her another book without His Holiness autograph. So that is how people view the issue of Tibet, the Sino-Tibet conflict. How people view Holiness thinks and what his vision is for the people of Tibet in the future. And if we follow His Holiness with reason, not just as a blind faith, whenever His Holiness says something, think about why His Holiness is saying this, under what circumstances, and particularly in difficult times. You have had interpretation for every single word that His Holiness utters. That is why, you might know that you and not is a single one. And it's not this one. And this was not the things of love. And I'm very sure that we and what is put it. He did it better. Things of love. 남들 뽀뽀리는 훈육이 컬러의 색을 원해. 네 포커스고. 다들 중에 나도 에마도 컬러 세 가게 보시다가 그냥 주주 디스플레이. Keep listening again and again. One time may not be enough for you to understand the whole gamut of how to solve things. Right? 양양하겠어요. 보아파가시제 어디에 보아파가시는 수를 위해 성공하는 행사를 돌보고 아니 야채를 미시가 주로 가진 땅에 내냐고요. 와 미시들이 즉 수를 모든 것 시험을 위해 제시가 되죠. 와 주로 시험을 위해 엔티나는 그런 다이어와 기술성의 민지 그들이 어디 또 어디에나 여러 신의 신식이 아니 최저 이거 뭔가 표현이 This is one comment that I made in one of the discussions we had, that the skill of this Holiness is how he seamlessly fuses his political thinking and religious philosophy. And that not many people are able to do in this world. And that is why His Holiness is a great Holy Himalaya.
The primary source of information is our parliament. And given the topic of India, the both of the world, in the Mazo, Premier, Chico, and the Naranja, Trezola, Manja conversations in Tibet, and we have these kinds of coaching and people and Shingela, resources, Shambhala, Natopala,
And this is Shingela?
resources, Shambhala.
The resources 빼먹어요. 규제 빼먹어요. 아주 좋아요. 너무 되게 저희가 개봉할 TV 영화에 All India Radio 이들이 시에 비나가 시에 비나가 프로그램에 시간이 고스 영화. 나도 지금 진짜 표현이 시에 매소를 세계다. 제가 제주도 모두 내려오고 치료가 되려면 아니 그냥 근데 지금 직접 보고 싶으죠. 사실 정말 되네. 준비의 티베트어 내나 이거를 와 뒤집게 중공 이들이 허유를 본다. 다가마고요. 그런 다음에 진도나로에 이들이 다르다고 까만 취향을 시키지 않고 있는 고주 관련 얘기도 당근 때 정말 나가시. 아니 이게 너무 제가 모두의 통성하고 있어요. 오케이, 나 니코나 다들 방식으로 니코 삼해서 루시 교회. 아니 유저는 내가 나를 하나 주는다. 그게 우리가 나한테 세계에 대해서 시계급이 변화가 됐어요. 나도 교회 중심에 또씩 조심해 본다. 그래서 소수를 투표를 넣으면서 얘기해봐. 이 시민이 교회를 시민에서 호주 교회로 완전 디가나 토마토요. 호주 강통을 지휘해봐. 디지털로 교회를 보내게 되면 그런 대표도 주시고 그들이 때문에 제발 만들때 제발 왕부시켜야 William Woodville Rockland Center. William Woodville Rockland. 그러나 지금 계획이 결국 그것이 뒤뒤 sonra bu işi şubeye var. Şema şey işi şubeye. 그래서 분들이 이슈를 맡았을 때 교회를 사실 찍찍지고 자본이 나오는 이슈를 맡았을 때 교회를 교회라는 이슈를 나와. 이제 미래분들 같은 분들이 다 오늘날에 그 지금 이렇게 교회 제 대주주에 나가서 교회에서 그런 공중이 통하는데 대지금 이게 거기 우물 교회에 같이 원이게 다이리 오르마이즈를 모델에 지금 님도 같이 얘는 예배드리는 그런 방송에서 되게 지시해요. 그래서 또 우리는 그 교육 나라 가리비는데 시민이 또 수능에 따라 가리비 공부. 그래서 계속 예만이나 5시간이면 인지능이 디니언, 이탈리안, 프렌치들 그런 모치를 얘네 모두 지시하고 되고 망치를 라틴. 라틴은 시대 인지능 그렇지 그런 이슈가 나오는 시대에 왔다는 이게는 요즘이야. 얘네 요즘 완전 통해. 완전 좋고. 딱 해서 이게 인지나 지역과 그죠. 빼면서 뭐예요? 고기는 이거는 대부분의 열에 이행의 열에 비디오스가 너무 통해요. 아니 미각체 열에 전기 기술이 편식의 대비 열에 중공 면대 기술 편식의 열에 세상에 비밀의 when you hear one thing. 뒤치고 이시셔 내 뒤치 거라 내 뒤치 공무부지 세율 제재 아니 신이 이들 대신 사내가 수술 이시시면 이다고요 이만도 미지가 미세는 끝에서 it leaves an imprint on your mind 방작하고 봐가지고 내 방작 때는 그냥 내 게임이 부자예요 아니, 쌤은 게임이 부자인데 뭐 정말지 대신 말이 이렇게 부자 말을 꾸미나 되는데 약간 제일 대신 망해는 그들은 어떤 거야? 이 순간에 내 가는 거에 내 지금 새 나쁘지 아니 제발 이제 그 사람 미디어들이 유치한 리 one video on anything check out the source and southern media of this 아니 시에 이제 들리시죠 내 친구가 아니 책이 있다는 거 맞다 그러나 이 대신자가서 그때 찍어보지 대신자는 나는 중국식하다 이래서 다시 대신자가 그 중국 뭐니까 완전 신앙되네 중국방 소국방 맞추기가 300이 내가 내 시작은 심한 호주에 거치고 맞아요 그 중국 대신자는 완전 참신이 계시고 호주 수리가 열심히 생겨요 그러면 먼저 찍으셔야 되는
아니 일단 일찍 지원하는 게 이 단달로 해가지고 먼저 준비해주라 준비해주고 방수 치료를 따는 데는 굉장히 소심하고 we're like we're so young we don't have the life figured out like and taking responsibility challenge leading like how can we do that kind of question right I think that's on almost every youth's mind these days especially the way the world is like moving so fast. And then you're like, oh, there's another responsibility on me as a civilian, right? So I think there's another aspect. I think it's like, even if I look at the crowd today, right? I see you attending this event. Usually, that has never been the case. You usually do not show up for these events a lot. I'm seeing a lot of volunteers as well. About 40 of them, I think. And it's like we're showing progress. It's like we're kind of taking ownership. We're saying, this is my identity. I should be doing something. Maybe let me help it out this way. Maybe I can do something that way, right? So I think we're kind of like on the track to take over initiative, to take on the role as the one who are fighting for our cause. And I think this audience and also retail members as well, that we are really growing. If you look back 2 years ago, it was really small, it's just really growing. So I think we kind of can see the progress in the youth as well. So I think that's a really good step forward. And another thing that I just wanted to back to the end is when it looks like everything is getting too tough, local
이해를 하셔야 되는데, 내 보시고, 아주 중요한 you feel self-diffident because you don't know too many things. So now, these days when I travel around, when I speak to the youth, I start from the basics as to why Tibet is important not only for Tibetans but for the whole world. So that is why I speak about the geostrategic importance of Tibet, because Tibet's location is the center of Asia. The environmental importance of Tibet is not only important for Tibetan people but for the whole region and for the whole world. And then the importance of Tibetan Buddhist culture, which no one else in this world has. We are a repository of that part of ancient Indian wisdom. So once you understand the significance of Tibet, the importance of Tibet, not only for ourselves but for the whole world, then you feel okay. It's worth fighting for. It's a cause that is worth preserving and promoting. Once you realize the significance of this, then you feel more confident. And then if you, like history part of Tibet, if you know more about Tibetan history, then you feel more confident about speaking about it. You know, 나중에 나의 지식 시험에 지식을 위해서 not as confident as I am today. Study me taught who got over the Lahamuna and now I don't have to read that. Now I study to talk to other people, I study more, I read more, I listen more. So I can speak about American politics to Americans, I can speak about Canadian politics to Canadians, the European politics to Europeans. Sometimes we know much more than they do, because we are watching from outside. And similarly, and if you are in a position to be explained to other people what you know, then you will be more confident. So 대국에 큰 망신이 이것이 나오는 되게 대국의 망신이 개인에게 오기 현실적으로서는 되게 오고 전체적으로 와. 그렇게 무엇을 그대로 보고 이 시험 즉 이를 장정 이 거리에 유지기로만 장공시 교육에 나한테 주변에서 나오는 약간의 시험을 당연히 시험 그리고 약간 시험이 비교하라 나는 내가 무슨 넘게 그러면 make mistakes 넘게 맞으면 그러면 여러 시간 대답 50만 이런 것을 중에서 내가 좋을 and really consider it as a stepping stone to success. And you can own up if you make a mistake. If you try to hide, then you will have to worry about who will 정말 꼭 수익교육 사람들이 당신이 되어라. confidence state one. 소수 전체 원류주나 해내 언다시 무조건 왜 수술 원리체 미국 유니세 집에 나가서 정말 까는 제 민을 파시에 대부분 크기가 이게 정말 수술을 보셔야 되는 집에 나가서 내가 그런 부분이 있어요. 그래서 everything entirely dependent on your action alone. You are dependent on a lot of other things. So they may be success, they may not be success at times. That's okay. 그냥 집에 누구들이 세시나 집에 누구세요? 어떤 미술가 되게 어떤 미디어만 우리 세야 나왔어요. 가지고 봐요. 마음을 많이 생각하고 어디 누구서는 이 남미가 나왔어요. Because of you yourself, your mistake, you also take other people on with you, and that's detrimental to your own life. The confidence level in 힘을 전부 채워가요. 전부 채워가요. 정신 보관해. 그걸 지어보게 애들을 하면서 우리의 그래서 그래서 아니라 나는 그게 도수나 우리들이 내가 지어라 주먹을 또 주먹을 하세요.
Unfortunately, we're running out of time, so that's one of the so think about what does leadership mean to you, and also
기회가 태어나는 19월. 민선의 계절을 이것이 19월. 시에 대해 이름이 되고, 아까 얘기 있었는데는 우리 목소리, 이것이 15일 사회에 되면, 나는 두들두들 따라가려고, 그리고 이제, 이렇게 포함하신 남자고 애였습니다. 나의 내가 진짜 우리 내가 중에 인스직까지요. 대신 규칙이 같고요. 시를 대부분은 한 시를 대부분의 시 생기시 얼마나 잘하시죠. 이 성당은 생 대부분의 시를 받아들이는 수고 통보요가 우리 한국 편에만 포함해 직원들이라는 게 그분의 생기가 수수지고 성당에 와 하는 시를 나오는데 강하게 이모는 조사 와 지리사 지상 미시생이 경험을 가지고 있어. 경험을 가지고 반드시 되지를 기억하고서는 이걸 여기다가 제 중요한 경험을 가지고 시간입니다. 다들 수수방법이 약속이 수수지고 계획을 지금 성취해 나가 사실 정말 수수만 별별까지 한책 지어서는 와요. 쌤의 상관에 수수 주고 말해. 시간하고도 또 해도 말해. 사실 제 우리처럼 제가 마음속에 있었거든요. 여러 개별만 하시면 표제예요. 매일 파이널 어드바이스를 해서 미친 교감을 하시죠. 교감을 제일 최고 시행의 상황을 학생을 해주고 학생을 수술에 시행이 시행을 짜셔야지. 성원들은 학업성을 속에 학생을 보고 오늘 성공한 제도들이 이제 경쟁을 나왔어요. 지금 공사를 좀 대주가 지역 나오셔야 통보. 그래 대주가 보이니 내가 그가 아버지는 여러 예를 주중이 내려서 비즈니스 여러 이 제도이나 상호가 되는 내가 저기 죽은 거는 죽어서 언제 되셔야 돼요. 성화 성화보다 성화보다 같이 공식해라. 얘들이 그래서 개인기가 뭔가 통화로서 개인기에 오늘 유리시키고요. 예전보다 너무 개인 속에 세시에 꽂혀나가구나. 그래서 성화가 공부하다 보면 지금 너무 잘하잖아요. 이게 교육과 너무 잘하잖아요. 아니, 지금 미쳤어야 되는 거 중요해요. 그래서 공부하다 공부하다 꽂을 주잖아. 성수도 신다. 항상 계획하게 되는 거. I want to experience everything myself. One life is not enough to experience everything. So, this is 영혼을 알려주고요. 지난 공공주의 영혼을 때문에 anytime 공공주의 영혼은 유닛 위에 주시는 하나님 인신이 바다에 마치 계획의 knowledge, 시행력의 기본이 이만한 공부하고 우리가 우리의 가족들은 공공계획 사업 교육이 있어도 공공부동화에 들어가는 이제 아버지의 카페에 대해서 공헌하신 거에 그때 계시다면 주마다 그냥 우리 제재 그래서 별말입니다. 2000년에 주주소가 크게 주주위에 이게 성으로 공헌을 하시게 프랑스 누구냐면 공부나 약간 주변에 성하는 공부나 근데 이 시다를 왜 알려주고 있어? 나는 그것을 민주주의하고 나눠놨어. 민주주의하고 나눠놨어. 왜 알려주고 있어요? 이거다냐? 깨우치고 그러려고 내 공부와 어두시는 성도 물론 그성의 제시를 유리했니 주제로 먼저 지난해야 임신만치 모델하고 이렇게 나가나 민주주의에 왜냐면 제시인이 전에 스테이지 보도 있고 그렇게 표시는